Draganfly is pleased to announce that it has been selected by MMS Products Inc. to develop a drone-based, tactical, multi-drop, and targeting payload system. MMS Products is at the forefront of providing cutting-edge tools and solutions designed to equip military personnel with the highest proficiency, ensuring enhanced safety, increased effectiveness, and overall mission success. The highlight of this development is the integration with MMS Products Mjolnir, which is a drone-based payload renowned for its versatility and effectiveness in various operational scenarios.
With precision and efficiency, it possesses the operational capacity to deploy a diverse array of resources, including medical supplies, tactical resupply, emergency supplies, location markers, electronic sensors, and tactical equipment.
The developed system boasts universal mount capabilities that can be easily adapted or attached to a wide range of drone models, and is specifically optimized for use with the Draganfly Commander 3XL. This new development emphasizes a growing trend in drone technology, a focus on universal and interoperable capabilities. The Commander 3XL is leading the way in modular and adaptable design, enabling a wide range of uses and faster adjustments to various operational requirements. This optimization with the Commander 3XL drone will work in seamless coordination, enhancing the operations performance and efficiency of both technologies, resulting in a robust, turnkey tactical solution.